Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mr. Silman. This is lesson 2.6, and we are going to, this is our last one right before our test, which is going to be on Friday. We're reviewing tomorrow. Remember, no math class on Thursday, and test is on Friday. So here we go. For this unit, for this lesson, you are going to have to know this right here. So 1 foot equals 12 inches, and 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 yard equals 36 inches. So make sure you know this. It might not be a bad idea to write this down right now. Okay? Because if you know this right here, you will be able to solve these problems right here. Because when you are doing this, especially on a test, make sure you read the directions carefully. They are asking for the feet. So you have to check to make sure all of these are in feet. Whoops, and that one's not. So we need to change 36 inches into feet. So let's see, that is 12, 24, 36. That is 3 feet now. So I'm going to cross that out. So now I have 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet. And we're going to find the perimeter. So 5. Remember, perimeter. Perimeter is just a fence around the yard. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12 feet. Now, perimeter is not squared. It is not squared at all. So that is just perfect. Here, number 11, we need again to change everything to feet. So feet, inches. I know that 12 inches equals 1 foot. 3 feet. That is 1 there. This is 1 because this is 1. I'm going to cross that out. So 1 and 1. I know that's 3 and I know this is 3. But since I'm finding perimeter, I don't need to know this inside feet. I know this is 2 feet by here, so that means this is 2 feet. And then we just add them up. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 3, 9. This is 9 feet. Okay? All right. Boys and girls, try these right here. Now, these are a little tricky. Again, we're finding the perimeter, and everything is switched to yards. So go ahead and pause your video right now and check and see how you did. Thank you. Welcome back. Let's just see. We're just going to flip to the answers to see how I did up here, but also how you did on 12 and 13. Okay, so if we look, for 12, you should have 28 yards. For 13, you should have 36 yards. Okay, hopefully you got those correct. Again, we need more practice with this, but we're going to move right on. Well, let's see. You can actually try this on yourself. And now that I showed you the answers, you can probably just go whoop, whoop, right there. All right. Make sure you know how 1 yard equals 3 feet. Make sure. It's kind of hard. That would be 12, and so on and so on. So go ahead and try it if you'd like. Otherwise, we're going to go right to area. Remember, area equals base times height. This is feet. So all of these have to be in feet, feet, feet. That one's in yards. I know that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So I'm going to cross that out and put 3. All right. And 3 means right here. That's this line right here. Okay. So we don't know this guy, but we kind of do. I know that this is 8 feet all the way across. I know this is 4 feet. That leaves that this right here, from here to there, is going to be 4. Right there, that's 4. I'm going to draw a line through here because now I can say 6 times 4 is 24. I know that if that's 3 and this is 6, that means this has to be 3 here. 4 times 3 is 12. That's 12 on the inside. 24 plus 12 is 36 square feet. Now, I'm drawing this with my mouse. Hopefully with a pencil or a pen in my hand, I'd be a lot neater. go ahead, make sure that you pause the video right now. Try your best at doing some of these problems. Remember, we are going for feet. So feet, 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 yard. Change that to feet. Here we're working on yards. So this should be a yard. That's a yard, so that's good. We have to change this to yard and that to yard. That's good. That's good. Change, change. That's good. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. All right, let's see what we got for answers. We get 36 feet squared, 27 feet squared, 15 square yards, 15 square yards. Not too bad. Hopefully you did well on that. So your assignment is this page, and hopefully you had a chance to work on some of this today. I'll give you a couple hints. Ready? This is perimeter and area in feet. So make sure everything is in feet. You have to change that guy, change that guy, change that guy. Perimeter and area in feet. Feet, inches. Change that guy. Perimeter and area in yards. Yard. Change it, change it, change it. Okay, you have 6 yards here. You have 15 feet. We need to change that guy and that guy. Everything's got to be in yards. Okay, on the back, you should know how to figure out those as well. I do have one more thing to show you that might help you out, is some of the vocabulary that we went over. So at any time, you can pause this, you can write these down. If you write these down in a notebook, you remember them better than if you just look at them. So might not be a bad idea to write these down. Pause the video at any time. Okay, and I'm just going to scroll through. And there's actually another page as well. Remember my little trick with this? This is a baby, a cute little angel. And this is my dad. My dad sitting on the couch, eating his potato chips. Okay, so acute and obtuse. Here are the last couple. And then if I go right to the next page, you can see that we have some more notes. Perpendicular, dimensions. Some of these we'll actually get into in Unit 5. Okay. Boys and girls, have a great night. Remember to study and practice for your social math test, and I will see you tomorrow.